Hey everyone. You wanna talk?
Okay, well, today we have the beach theme since summer is coming to an end.
Yeah.
All three babies.
All three babies are together again.
Yeah.
Hmm.
I suppose we should show them that.
You think they can see Dakota?
Yeah, I see that.
Right there. I think we should restart this video.
No, it's good.
It is?
Yeah, let's keep going.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm being weird.
That's fine.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, can I just stay like this?
Sure. I'll pass these babies.
No, it's okay.
And what do we do?
Can we restart this?
No. It's good.
Okay. The computer, or are we just gonna show them? Okay. So after the babies, here's Dakota.
Hold her up a little bit. Little sandal shirt.
Yellow sandal shirt and pink shorts, leggings. Yeah.
Jeremiah? Oof. Sorry, buddy.
He's just got the shark shirt on and pants.
And this cute lay, I like it a lot.
Cute little lay.
Happy?
Yep.
And Quinn. Okay. She just has this little dress. Close. Ugh. Little fishies and starfish and shells and stuff. Yep. That's them.
Yep, we're not dressed up for this.
Hold your head up.
Yeah, so we're not dressed up for this at all. Sorry about that. Get in here. So, this was just kind of a video we just wanted to make. Sure you want me to do this?
Yeah, we're done now. It's all good.
Okay. This was her choice, not mine. If you don't like this video, blame her. So, thanks for watching. Bye-bye. You have to turn it off.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.